Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing shortcut for designing not just one, but 30 eye-catching flyers in just 3 minutes using ChatGPT and Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to combine AI and modern design tools to rapidly create professional-looking flyers. Whether you're doing marketing for a business, organizing an event, or just want to save loads of time on design work. Let's dive right in so you can see how fast and easy this process really is. First things first, we're heading over to ChatGPT. This is where you're going to get the content for your flyers. So open up ChatGPT and ask it for 30 creative flyer topics or tips on how to get rich. Just type something like, "Give me 30 catchy flyer ideas about how to get rich." ChatGPT will quickly generate a list for you. Don't worry if the wording isn't perfect right out of the gate, you can always tweak them later. The key here is to use AI to brainstorm fresh, engaging content without having to rack your brain for ideas. It's like having a copywriter right at your fingertips. Once you've got your list, it's time to save those ideas so we can use them in Canva. The easiest way is to copy the entire list from ChatGPT, open up Excel or Google Sheets if you prefer, and paste the items into a new spreadsheet. This process is important because Canva will need your flyer titles in a CSV. That's a comma-separated values file that helps with bulk importing. Simply paste in your ideas, save the sheet as a CSV, and remember where you saved it. We'll need that file in just a moment. Next up, let's jump over to Canva. If you don't have an account yet, it's free and super easy to sign up. Once you're in, find the Create button, usually at the top right of your dashboard, and type Flyer into the search bar. This tells Canva exactly what kind of project you're working on and brings up a ton of ready-made templates to pick from. Go ahead and scroll until you find a template that fits the vibe you want, then click on it. Now it's time to make it your own. Click into the flyer template and update the title to something like How to Get Rich Top Tips. You don't have to get fancy at this point, just a clear, bold headline that will stand out. Remember, this headline sets the tone across all 30 flyers, so make it catchy but relevant. Here comes the magic. Look for the Apps option in Canva's menu, sometimes it's on the left sidebar. Click into it, then type Bulk into the search. You're looking for Canva's Bulk Create tool, which is a fantastic shortcut when you're working with a lot of content at once. Once you're in the Bulk Create tool, choose the option to import your CSV file. This is where you'll load up all 30 of your rich tips straight from your spreadsheet. Take a moment here to make sure the data shows up correctly. Each tip should be in its own row. Next, let Canva do the heavy lifting for you. Click to generate the pages, and Canva will instantly create 30 separate flyer designs, each with a different tip or heading from your list. This part may take a minute to process, but don't worry, it's all happening automatically. Lastly, head over to your projects section. Here you'll see all the flyers Canva just made for you. Select them all and add them to your main design project so you can review, tweak, or export them however you like. And that's seriously all there is to it: fast, straightforward, and incredibly efficient. Instead of spending hours designing each flyer by hand, you've just used AI and Canva together to get it done in minutes. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, maybe you got stuck on a step, or you want more tips about using Canva and ChatGPT, just drop a comment below. I love hearing from you, and if you're enjoying these smart shortcuts, make sure to subscribe for more time-saving tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and happy designing.